Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stronghold SHX, the tokenomics FUD explored. It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price and chart of SHX at the time of the recording. So here is the chart. SHX is down 4.83% for the day. If we look at the 7-day chart, it is up 101.92%, 7 days. The current price is a cent, almost 0.01161. The price went all the way up from 0.0059 all the way to 0.014. Extraordinary gains, guys. Extraordinary gains. SHX has basically ripped the chart out. Let us look at the monthly chart. This is the monthly chart. It went from 0.003775 all the way to 0.015. I mean, we are not even in a full bull yet at the moment, and SHX went on to do this. We've been talking about SHX since it was priced at around 0.004137. I remember 4137 explicitly. I shared when we first made a video, although I have been following SHX for a very long time now. But if you guys can check out the first video, we talked about it when it was priced at around 0.004137 approximately. So if you've invested in during these times when we've talked about it, then kudos to you guys. Congratulations for these extraordinary gains. And if you look at the market cap at the moment, according to Coin Market Cap, we're going to be checking that out as well because some of the circulating supply, the data, people are concerned about that as well. We're going to be exploring that, what people are saying about it, what the current market cap is. People basically are confused as well. So let us check out the confusion as well as answers to them in this video. Anyways, let us begin. So, guys, this is Red Pill Crypto, Red Pill Professional. He makes SHX good utility coins videos as well. So do check him out. Ncash Official is a G. He puts out great content. He doesn't share my sentiment on SHX, and that's okay. Tokenomics were my major turnoff until I learned about the connections of Stronghold. Obviously, guys, Stronghold has connections with the likes of IBM, Visa. We've talked about it, and there is a rabbit hole down there where people are basically now connecting the dots and making further connections, guys. The connections that are apparent are significant: Ripple, Stellar, IBM, Visa, Nacha. So a lot of connections out there. Anyways, so 14.5 billion out of 100 billion isn't a great metric. Let us look at what CoinMarketCap is saying. Circulating supply. According to CoinMarketCap, it is 5.7 billion, but the community members and everyone now claims that that isn't correct. I think so. 14.5 billion out of 100 billion isn't a great metric. But I believe they're rational about circulating supply and have shown no signs of dumping. Their model is built around institutional adoption, and it wouldn't make sense to dump. It is the only low circulating market MS project I'm in on, solely because of what I've learned. Okay, Ncash Official is his own man, so he has replied. This is Nick from Ncash Official. I keep hearing that 14.5 billion is in circulation, but how can that be confirmed when the Explorer itself, which is up to date, data doesn't lie, shows the deployer address with 99 billion still. So this is the deployer number one, deployer one, 99% deployer one. So I don't know, man. Honestly, all I can point to is the verified data tag on CMC 1 billion, 5 billion, or 14.5 billion. Doesn't sway my overall personal opinion on SHX at this point, as Red Pill thinks that the institutional adoption and all these connections are more than enough to trust SHX, obviously. So that's what but that is what is holding me back. They deployed 1 billion from it to two addresses, and there was some selling from those addresses too. There is deployments and routing calls, but it just seems off to me. Again, I will fade and miss it, but I am comfortable with that. I wish you all the best of luck. So let us now move on ahead. Thoughts on the 99 billion SHX shown on the issuing wallet? He has asked the most enthusiastic proponents of SHX, crypto banker, Ketingol, Dylan Coles. I want to be as rational as possible. All sides have a seat at the table. 1 billion, 5 billion, or 14.5 billion circulating supply ultimately won't sway, like he said. Where is that list from? Ncash official shared it with me in a response. I've seen it before, but I'm not sure. So, Crypto Banker has responded here. He's one of the spinal cord of SHX research guys. You all already know that. You have followed him. I'm confident Stronghold. Vigorously and religiously follows SHX and as his only portfolio. He has claimed that he only holds SHX. He's an SHX maxi. So his response basically, I'm confident Stronghold Pay will officially confirm the circulating supply and clear up what the above means. But just an important note on this, SHX is built on Stellar. Yeah, it has an Ethereum bridge that they use for DeFi and smart contracts back in 2019, but SHX is built on Stellar org. This is from ETH Scanner. Personally, I've always speculated that at some point they would just swap over the Ethereum chain SHX holders to Stellar once smart contracts were launched on Stellar. So basically, he's saying that the data is from the Ethereum side of stuff, and they're going to be swapping them and showing us the real data and what the accurate data on and basically shifting the holders onto the Stellar side of stuff when smart contracts were launched on Stellar. We are about to see smart contracts on Stellar. We've talked about that as well. I made a video on Stellar. You guys can check that out with Soroban. The only reason they used ETH was because that capability of smart contracts was not on the Stellar protocol in 2019. I feel like that 99 billion, this is Phoenix Rising. She also talks about SHX quite often. I feel like that 99 billion deployer wallet is irrelevant since Dylan Coles 13 pointed out that BitTrue has 1.5 billion tokens. So exactly, don't fud yourself out of an early opportunity. Anyways, let us move on ahead. This is from Miles, and this is also a good post that I read. I've noticed some confusion regarding the circulating supply. I contacted the Stronghold team about this confusion. Here's the high level. Stronghold reports their circulating supply to CoinMarketCap and they publish that as self-reported circulating supply. This is what they would refer to as Stronghold's true circulating supply. CMC also comes up with their own number, which currently is about a one third of SHX. So basically, what we're seeing in uh, 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 CoinMarketCap, these are not the accurate numbers, basically, and apparently it is sometimes good, but drifts out of date. Sean thinks they last asked them for a wallet update 2 years ago, so it is not too surprising. It is this out now. It's this out now. Okay, so the Ethereum issuance confuses people, and understandably so. Until Stronghold has proper X issuance bridging, the main wallet on Ethereum should be ignored. Only the full 100 billion SHX that has been burned should be considered valid, and the rest are artifacts of how they've issued across the two blockchains. So basically, what they're saying is the confusion has happened due to the Ethereum side of stuff and the bridging and the data not being updated well in time. And this will basically be sorted out as we move forward. Let us now look at this as well. A cool post. I wanted to address the circulating supply issue I was wondering about earlier. First, thank you, SHX Banker, for your research and video. At current circulating supply, SHX would need a market cap of 14.5 billion to reach $1. So, according to them, the circulating supply at this moment, the accurate one is 14.5 billion SHX. CMC hasn't basically it isn't accurate the data on CMC. So if SHX were to reach a dollar one, it would basically need a 14.5 billion dollar market cap. What's this market cap calculation site? Okay. It's a question that I hope official channels can make a quick official statement on for 100% unified community clarity. So, guys, this is the thing. The teams, uh, although I really like the connections, partnerships, I really like SHX. I really love it. I've basically covered it since I told you guys 0.0004137. Tremendous potential. It can even reach a dollar in some point. At some point, even I'm looking at longer terms, not a short-term price prediction at all. But I really would like the teams to basically tackle these issues whenever this. They should have social media a wing as well. That basically tackles the questions that are raising in social media. Kudos to people like Tingold, like Crypto Banker, the other researchers. They come up with their own answers and they try to connect the dots and basically accumulate data and all of that stuff. I mean, that is a hassle. Why doesn't the team have a social media wing that basically tackles or clarifies certain issues? It makes it easy, like an account like Ncash Official or Nick. Basically, if Nick has a reason to basically doubt SHX, whatever that is, people are saying, yeah, he was late to SHX, he's a big influencer, and this is basically an ego issue. I mean, whatever it is, people are saying that, but I think Nick is much bigger than that. But if it is that issue, whatever it is, his answer should be tackled by the main team themselves, in my opinion. They should basically tackle these issues themselves. What do you guys think? Don't you guys think that they should have a social media wing or a media wing that basically tackles these questions that are raised? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. And what is your opinion on this? My take is that they should have. Anyways, although, yeah, Discord admins and there are other people as well, but there should be official stance on this and official data available to all public. Even they should talk with the Coin Market Cap to basically tackle this issue soon and release an official statement on their X handle that yeah we're talking with Coin Market Cap and all of that stuff on their official X handle. Anyways, unified community clarity as the data flying around is mostly 5.78 billion, which is incorrect. I hope it is actually that number, but at the moment can only go off the Discord admin and CMC self-reporting. But they'll probably just wait for everyone to see what it says on the new exchange listings. In my opinion, this is on purpose by Stronghold. They wanted to fly under the radar for as long as possible, but the cat is out of the bag. Whether it is 14.5 billion or 5.78 billion, it doesn't really matter too much when you realize that this is and what it is built for. Obviously, it doesn't matter if it's 14.5 billion or 5.7 billion or whatever, but the allocation according to them is 100 billion will be in circulation by 2050, guys. Check this out. Makoto as well has basically given a pose that we're at 14 billion at the moment, and through 2050 we'll reach 100 billion. But still, we have to basically tackle this issue as well. Although everyone has their own take on this, the deployer one, Stronghold wallet, 99% in circulation. If 14.5 billion is circulation, then this shouldn't have been this much. I mean, 99%. But guys, this means that 1 billion is in circulation, and the rest is in some wallet. So basically, this is, I mean, a huge a huge question to tackle, in my opinion. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and do hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And do hit the comment box below to let the community know your opinions. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.